Here with Joe Cicchinelli. Good to see you, Joe.
Good seeing you.
We met in person once, but I only recognized you when you came in because you had the shirt on. But he's the reason for this event. That's his official title that I'm giving him. When and where is going on?
Well, September 11th, 2022, Lauritzen Gardens, the All-European Bike and Car Show is on once again. Yeah, you never know what you're going to see, and we usually get a pretty good grouping of cars.
We were talking, I was there last year. There were some great cars there. I mean, how many total did you end up having?
About 120 cars.
120?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that was for me, being able to just walk and not feel like I saw the same car twice. You know, Lamborghinis, MGs, some old Jags.
It's where old meets new.
Yeah.
Well, we've got a really good group of sponsors. Woodhouse has always been good to us. I have a long time sitting with Cars, Sports Car Garage, Star Class Motors.
Awesome, yeah. And then, I mentioned we're here at Lauritzen, so the show is actually going to be not anywhere near this building.
It's down in the Japanese garden. There's another entrance that is in the back of the property.
Gotcha, yeah.
The people that come to this show with their cars and their motorcycles, they say it's one of the shows I look forward to every year. So
For sure.
September 11th, registration is from 10 to noon, shows from noon to 3. Come on out and have a great time. I do the shirts, so Greg Stuttle, he's one of my guys that helps sponsor and does the shirts with me, and he does a fantastic job. So, yeah.